Oh wow, you guys put a garage door in it.
Going up.
So is this the side of the building with
Just
that?
watch your back.
Yeah,
Look at that
back
wall.
Is this the side of the building with that big like birdcage type elevator?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So that would be in the front.
So. Sorry.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
Wow, this is cool. And do you know what company originally put in that birdcage elevator?
I have no clue.
Oh, yeah, there's no name on it.
No name.
Even on the big machine?
No.
Really?
I know they updated it with the auto because before it used to be somebody else.
Oh, yeah, I bet.
Manual. So.
Do you know what year they did that?
I would say when it got converted. Well, did
Yeah.
it passenger
When it got
company?
converted.
Yeah, 1978.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
She's slow, but she gets the job done.
So cool how it's just the window.
There's not many that's got windows.
Oh no, for
No.
sure. It's not loud.
Yeah, right.
So it's cool. It's always cool to see them with it.
They actually wanted us to brick them up. This is the
Really?
inspector.
How'd you get around that?
Grandfathered in, you know.
Oh, right, right.
There was a workaround around, so.
Interesting.
All the way to the top.
Yeah, it's tough.
Oh wow, this is cool. The machine is up there, I bet. Or is this?
She's in the basement.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Where you guys from?
I'm from Chicago,
Yeah, where? Okay.
but I go to school out in Denver.
Oh, all right.
Thanks for showing us this. We really
Yeah,
appreciate it.
No problem.
So you like taking a picture? Like, what is he put on?
Yeah, I was like, oh shit. Because like I've always been
You
in
just got
Donohue.
lucky.
Yeah, and I've always wondered about this thing. I always seen it, but I've never been able to. Oop,
That's all
I've,
right.
I've never been able to find it. So I finally see it open. I'm like, oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, shit, fuck.
You can tell how much we use that door.
Oh, sorry, Johnny. Oh, you have to hold that button while you operate it.
Well, one of the door switches is
Yeah,
broken, that just broke, so
Oh,
this
so you
cancel
got-
out all the door switches.
Gotcha. I see. I see. This is so cool.
Yeah, it still rides on the original wood rails.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Two of them, one on that corner and one on this corner.
Oh, I see. Look at that.
You'd be able to see it better once I stop here. Find the line.
Thank you, then.
Don't need practice.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much.
So here's the rail. Here's the wood rail.
Oh, check it out.
This is so cool.